Have you ever wondered why your one-stroke flowers don't look as bright and beautiful as you want them to? Sometimes it's not your brush or your technique, it could be your paints which you are choosing. Hi, my name is Swati and I'm a floral artist from India. Welcome to my channel. If you love painting flowers and want to learn how to paint them in the easiest possible way, then you are at the right place. One of the questions I get asked the most is which acrylic paints should I use for this easy flower painting technique? And let me help you with this. For one-stroke flower painting, we mostly use opaque colors. Sometimes we can also use semi-opaque colors, but we usually avoid transparent colors. So how do we know which color is opaque, semi-opaque or transparent? Let me show you how to identify them easily. Look at the small box or square symbol you usually find on paint bottles and tubes. A completely filled square generally means the color is opaque, and a half filled or partially shaded square means it is a semi-opaque color. And an empty square means the paint is transparent. So we will avoid using these kind of colors. However, these symbols can vary slightly between brands, so it's always better to check the brand information as well. So, whenever you buy paints for this easy and vibrant flower painting technique, just check this little box. And these are some of the paint brands I prefer using. Since the Amazon Freedom Sale is live, you can get many art supplies at good discounts. I have linked all the paints I recommended in the description. Hope this video helped you to understand how to choose the best paint, best acrylic paints for the easy flower painting. And next time you will buy the correct paint and get the desired result which you are looking for. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to hype this video because it will motivate me to make more such valuable content for you all. And yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.